Hello. I am Sneha, presently a first year MBBS student in College of Medicine and JNM Hospital, Kalyani, West Bengal. I cracked NEET 2024 and obviously appeared for West Bengal State Counseling the previous year. Here to tell you all and guide you all as to what all documents which you need to carry for the counseling process, as I want to make your counseling process a bit easier because I know it is confusing for the first timers. No original documents are taken during the time of document verification. Original documents are seen, checked, and returned back as it is, and only the Xerox photocopies, that also one copy each, are taken. But I'll always tell you all to carry at least 3 or 4 photocopies. So, as I start listing the documents that you are going to need for your document verification, I'd like to start with the two documents which needs to be made after your results are out, because the both has certain pro forma which will be uploaded very shortly, I guess, in the website of West Bengal State Counseling. Okay, so the two documents are medical certificate and domicile. So if I talk about medical certificate, then there's nothing much to be done. You need to download the medical certificate pro forma which will be uploaded, and then get it filled up and stamped by any registered medical practitioner in the Indian Medical Council. Nothing else. So you need to get that done. Next comes domicile certificate. Domicile is a very important certificate which you are going to need in all the steps of your counseling. So you can get domicile certificate by two methods. It can either be a e-domicile or it can be a domicile, that is the pro forma of which is uploaded in the website, and you need to download the pro forma and get it signed by the respective authorities as mentioned, as I'll mention also. So domicile has three types. It can be domicile A1, A2 or B. For domicile A1, there are two criteria. The first one is that the student or you should be the permanent resident of West Bengal for at least the past 10 years. That also from 31st of December 2024. So before that 10 years, you need to be a permanent resident of West Bengal, which implies that you have appeared for your 10th and 12th from West Bengal itself, from an institution which is enrolled and affiliated to West Bengal Council, not necessarily from West Bengal board, but from West Bengal. And secondly, you should have appeared and passed 12th examination in any year before 2025. What does this mean? It means that you are either a repeater, dropper, or have taken a gap year and have enrolled yourself in some other course or institution. So then you need to get domicile A1 done. And for domicile A1, you need to get the pro forma printed out and get it signed by someone who has a local jurisdiction over your area. It can be DM, it can be SDO, it can be judicial magistrate. Next comes domicile A2. Again, it has two criteria. The first criteria remains the same, of being a permanent resident of West Bengal for the past 10 years. And the second criteria is that you should pass 12th examination from West Bengal in 2025. That is, you are a fresher and have appeared NEET as a fresher, and you are appearing for counseling in 2025 itself. So then you need to get pro forma A2 filled, printed, and then get it signed by the head of the institution of your, that is the principal or the head of the school, the institution that you've passed class 12th from. He or she is going to sign only. Talking about pro forma B, it is for those candidates who have not resided in West Bengal for the past 10 years continuously, but their parents must reside and be permanent residents of West Bengal. Then you need to carry either one of your parents' valid ID proof to the document verification center. So, e-domicile is a local residential certificate which does not have any relation with NEET examination. So, it is completely an online process, and for that, you need to log into e-district of West Bengal. So you'll get a website, and I'll mention the website here. So you need to log in to West Bengal e-district and then create an account, because without the account you cannot proceed. So you need to sign up first with your phone number and the OTP comes, and you need to create an account. And after that you need to click on services, and it will lead you to a section where you have an option called certificates, and under certificates you'll get the option of local residential certificate, and then it will ask several documents from you and you need to upload it one by one. And then after the confirmation of submission, after few days, you will get the certificate via PDF, and you need to download it. Okay, and e-domicile is equally accepted by all the authorities, so do not fear about that. I would always recommend you all to get the e-domicile done right now, because I think waiting for the pro forma sometimes can be too late, because the pro forma is issued at the last minute. In some years it has been, and then very few days are given after the pro forma is released, and the official process of getting it signed by SDO, DM, etc. takes a few days, and it can happen that the signature is not yet done, then you'll be in a matter of fuss, and I don't want that to happen. So I'd request all of you to go to e-district and then get your e-domicile done. Then you'll be in a safe space, a safe area wherein you can be a bit relaxed about the counseling process. So get it done, it will be my advice. So with this I conclude the two documents. Next, you need your Aadhaar card. It is not really mentioned in the PDF that they issue, but you should always take your Aadhaar card. With Aadhaar card, I mean the original and at least 2 Xerox copy or 4 Xerox copy for safety purpose. Then you need to take your class 12 passing documents. What does it consist of? It consists of your admit card, it consists of your mark sheet, and one document which everyone forgets is pass certificate. I think for CBSE board there is not a pass certificate differently than the mark sheet, but for ISC and West Bengal I think there is a pass certificate. At least for ISC there is, and many people forget to take it, but it is very essential and they will ask for it. So you need to take pass certificate, admit and mark sheet, original and at least 3 to 4 Xerox copies. You need to take one valid age proof, and it can be birth certificate or 10th admit card, and I'll always say carry your birth certificate, again the original one and photocopies. You need to carry the admit card of NEET. You need to carry your NEET scorecard. Documents like NEET admit card and NEET scorecard actually do not have a so-called original or a photocopy version, so do not worry about it. In original version you can give a colored photocopy, and many students have a question as to whether we should stick the photograph, that is the postcard size and the passport size photographs, in the NEET admit card or not while submitting. They really do not check for that, so it is absolutely okay if you do not put, and it's okay if you do put as well. It really does not hamper anything. You need to carry document verification allotment receipt. That is, in this college you have been allotted time and slot for document verification. They'll check this right at the gate while giving you the token number. Okay, then payment receipt. Without this, you will not be allowed. Whatever be the reason, you need to take the payment receipt, the payment that you had made in West Bengal State Counseling website for registering yourself in the counseling process during enrollment. Okay, then you need to carry the candidate profile which you had got during NEET registration. After that, the acknowledgement slip. Okay, now if you are from some category, then you need to have your category certificates as well. So a backward class welfare officer is present right in the center of document verification. He will verify all the category related documents. So while filling up the form, you must select the category already. No category registration will be done during document verification. If you have enrolled as a general category student during NEET form fill up, then you need to appear as a general category student in the counseling process as well. No category changes are done at this hour. Okay. So if you are a OBC candidate, then you need your OBC certificate, which should solely be from Government of West Bengal, and it should be issued after 1st of January 2025. And then for safety purposes, I always tell these candidates to keep NCL certificate and income certificate ready as well, because they might ask. And when I tell you about these certificates, you should carry the original one as well as Xerox photocopies. If you are from PWD category, then last year they had instructed each and every one of those candidates to get their PWD status verified from the medical board of IPGM, ENR and SSKM hospital only. No other hospital had the authority to issue such a certificate or get the certificate verified. Okay, so you need to get the certificate and your status verified from SSKM only. Now comes, if you are a candidate of EWS category, then you need to have your EWS certificate done on or after 1st of April 2025 only. So certificates after that date will be accepted. And I'll also tell you all to carry your income certificates along. For SC or ST, You need obviously your certificates, their photocopies, and always carry the digital number which is given as well. One thing that I'd like to mention now is that no gap certificate or discontinuation bond is needed at this hour. It is only needed after you get a college, not now. So do not worry about those two certificates now. So if you all want any further information regarding counseling process and what all to do next, then please drop it in the comment section and I'm going to make a separate video. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope I could be of slightest help to you all, and I hope each and every one of you get your dream medical college in this year. Thank you.